Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Keybank credit card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Keybank credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the URL box that appears on the top of the screen, type in key.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you type in this URL, you'll end up in the official site of Keybank, which looks like this. Go to the right hand side of the screen, and in order to log into your credit card, you must log into your online banking account. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet for Keybank, click on Enroll in Online Banking link and follow the on-screen prompts to register yourself. Once you have an account, you can simply log in whenever you want from your computer or your mobile devices. Click the Sign On button and enter your user ID associated with your online banking account and your password on the next page. Start off with typing in your user ID. Make sure to type in your information correct. Head over to the next field and type in the password that you created while registering for online banking account on Keybank. Once you have these credentials typed in, if you want the system to remember your credentials for you on this particular device, click on Remember Me. If not, leave it unchecked, and if you've forgotten your login details, then in that case, you can simply click on Problem Signing On link and follow the instructions in order to look for your user ID or your lost password. After typing in all of the credentials, click the Sign On button in red and you'll be able to log into your Keybank online banking account. Choose the Credit Card tab from the options in order to access your credit card online. That's how you can easily log into your credit card for Keybank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.